Okay, so here is how we would create a collateral piece for a top agent or any agent that has like a large um, listing appointment. In particular, let me show you where this request came from. Daniel Weiser said, hi, I have a listing appointment on Tuesday at 12 p.m. at 8012 Danforth Cove, Austin, Texas, 78746. They asked that I please bring market stats in the area. Could I request this of you? I know the flyer that you make is super awesome. Anything to make me look wicked smart would be great. Very typical. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my MLS and I am going to put in the address so I can see what this home is all about. Like, this is an old listing from 2005. So it's not necessarily that I care about that listing. I just need to know, great, like, what is the, where is it, right? So I have a sense of it. So I see that this is in Rob Roy neighborhood right here where it says subdivision. A subdivision is a neighborhood. So Rob Roy on the creek. And for this purpose, I'm going to just keep it that way. So what I've done is I've gone to search and I've clicked residential and I right-clicked residential here so that it opens in a new tab. So in subdivision, I put Rob Roy. And just so that I remember what I have going on. Now I'm going to go to Canva and I have pulled up where I've done this for him in the past. So I just click duplicate page. And so now I don't have to have like the content again, or you guys probably have an even better way of doing it, but this is just the, really basic way that I do it. I just rename it to whatever the date is. I add the date that I'm doing it, which is January 31st, 2022, so that the client can see what, as of when was this information valid, right? Now we said Rob Roy was the neighborhood. That's why I needed to look that up, right? In the past, when I did it was for an area, Terrytown, right? So Rob Roy was the neighborhood, single family homes. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to say single family, which is right here in this corner. Okay. And then it's going to say 2022 market update. So in the past, it said 2021 market update. So I have changed it to 2022. So I'm just running down this column. I'll do the rest later, but right now I'm just doing this column. So right now I have 0 matches. So Rob Roy, active, single family residential means 0. So I'm going to put myself a little 0 right there. And then I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to say under contract. Now under contract is active under contract and pending, right? So I've got 0 there. Hold on, I'll make sure I'm doing this right here in a second. Usually I don't get zeros. All right, closed. I'm going to go back a full year, right? So I'm going to go 0 to 365. That's what I'm interested in for this, right? So that's 22. So I am doing everything right. There's just no inventory right now. Was it 2020? It was 22. Okay, great. So 22 sold. Excellent. Now, I'm going to go right here, sold prices. So here's how I find that. I'm going to click my little matches right here. And then I am going to click this button right here that says all. That's going to click all of them, even the ones on the next page that I can't see. And then I'm going to go right here to stats. So tabular stats. So when I see that, let's see, the first thing that I need from there is sold prices, right? So I can see that is weird. Hold up. I'm coming back to this. Hold on. I just want to see what in the heck was. Okay. One more thing you got to do. Apparently there's 2 subdivisions with Rob Roy. We need the one in 78746, right? That's the zip code. So in the future, don't make the mistake I just made. When you put in the subdivision, also put in its zip code, because that will change everything. So the results are actually 11 sold instead of 22 sold. And The reason is because Rob Roy subdivision in 78746 that have closed in the last 365 days, that's a single family residential home, is just that. All right, so my results, here we are. Click all, tabular, here we go. All right, so what I'm looking for here is my minimum, right? So they sold between 1.5 and my max, 3, 4, sorry, this is list price. That's not what I'm looking for. Sold price right here, close price. Boop, boop, boop. That is this range. So 1,453. So let's see. 1,453. And then 3,350. All right. 3,350. Boom. There you go. So those homes are very expensive in that neighborhood. Woo! Too much. Anyway, right here is you're looking for median days on market, 6 days on market. Excuse me. Even though here it says average, like if I say the words median, like the public doesn't understand that. They understand averages, but what I really need is the median number here. So 6 days median on market. List price to sale price, list price to sell price. So I'm gonna go back over here. List price to sell price. Here's where you look at CP, so closing price divided by LP, listing price. So closing price, oh my God, just delete what I just said. CP, OLP. So this means what was the closing price in relation to the original listing price? And so what we see here is 102 is our median. Remember, we're looking for median. So 102, we're gonna go back over here and we're gonna say 102. Okay, cool. And then average sold price, which is 2.4 million, which is not really average. I know that's what we have on the flyer. It's just people don't understand median. They like don't know what that means. But median is what you're looking at. So 2.4 million was the median closing price. Oh, hold on one second. Median 2.4 million. Hold on one second. My husband keeps texting me. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. 2.4 million. All right. And then let's see, ask about our exclusive concierge program, up to 75,000 interest-free loan to prepare home for sale. Yep, that's accurate. Boom, done. Then this is his picture. If it wasn't Daniel Weiser, we would just update it with the next person, Daniel Weiser's name and his cell phone, Daniel Weiser at bankittyteam.com. Boom. Right here, I'm going to have to change this because let me see what our numbers were for last year. Our numbers were, well, wrong year. Our numbers for last year were, I think, like 214 million, 214,600,000. Okay, so 215 million, right? So right here with over 215 million to 15 million in sales volume in 2021, our team is a market leader in the Austin area, ready to, let's see, equipped to maximize your home's value and achieve your desired results. You are welcome to contact me anytime for a complimentary consultation. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so that is how you do that. That's it. That's all. Cool. Sometimes now. Oh, okay. I got 2 things. Everything we just learned, like you could just push the stop button and you did it. Because I know this neighborhood, I'm going to do something and just see if there's another type of property in there. I went to cross property right here, cross property, and I am going to click on residential and farm just because I know some of those homes have some land over there. So that's why I'm doing this, because what if an agent listed it as land? So I'm going to do Rob Roy and I'm going to do zip code 78746 just to make sure that I didn't like miss anything. Nope, nothing active, nothing pending. And 365. Nope, same thing. So you don't have to worry about that. That's wonderful. Okay, so that is good. And then like, let's say somebody wanted, oh my gosh, let's say they wanted to go door knock and they said, I'm going to put my neighborhood, for example, I'm going to say Meridian. They want to door knock the neighborhood of Meridian, right? And that is area code 787 or zip code 78739. Okay, so Meridian. So you would do the exact same thing. You would say Meridian single family homes 2022 market update. And then newly listed, which is active, you would put 1 because, here we go. I'll click single family because there's 1, right? And so here we go. Like this little snickerdoodle is for sale. Pratolina. Let's see. That kind of sounds like my name, Adelina. Cute house. Okay. Then if I wanted to see, okay, well, what's under contract? I would say, whoa, there's 3 under contract. So then I would move it to 3, right? And I would be like, whoa, look at that, man. This neighborhood is hopping. I got one right here. I got another one right here. And then I got this ginormous one in here. I like these homes. And then I am going to go to close. Then I'm going to say 365 days. So if I was doing this for a neighborhood that an agent wanted to door knock, they'd have 43 of them to choose from. Amazing, right? And I can always like see it all at a glance and change my pages, right? And I can see like the lowest price. Wow, that was a deal. To the highest price, not so much a deal. I can see my house too. That's so cool. All of this is in here, right? And then, so it's, you do it the same way every time. The thing that changes is, you know, are you doing it for a neighborhood? You could do this, like say somebody wanted to, oh, I don't know. Say they wanted to door knock multiple neighborhoods in a zip code, right? Then let's say they wanted to do 78739. Like, I don't know why they would do that, but let's pretend like they would. Boom, right here, 357, right? And then if we looked at pending and under contract, 23 only pending and under contract, active, only 5. Like, wow, like this is a great opportunity for somebody to door knock this zip code because there is no inventory. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you of how to do it. I will get this shared with you guys and hopefully it recorded. All right, thanks guys. I appreciate everything you do for us. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And we rave about you. I appreciate you so much. All right, have a good rest of your day. Happy January 31st, 2022.